Good morning, guys. Maybe it's not morning when you're watching this, so what the fuck am I saying that for? Anyway, looks like we're in the body shop bay here, and you all know our 70 Charger. Well, look at here. Look at here. Last night, Jared, our painter, came in, and you remember we did all the jams in the edges of the car itself. Well, now we started doing the backside of all the parts. So we've got the hood done there. Look at the beautiful shine on that. Hood all taken care of. Doors are all sprayed. Look at. This is burnt orange. It's the original color for a 70 Charger. It's the original color for this car. Man, it's so nice to see people going with some of these different colors. Like, even though this is the original color for the car, a lot of people would be painting this thing purple, black, red, blue, you know, the common old bullshit, which there's nothing wrong with, but a lot of people would not put the car back this color because it's, you know, it's probably not one of the most sought after colors. But if you could see this in person, I mean, if you see here, look how it looks darker and then just gets, you should see this. All I can say is you should see it in the sunlight. It is an unbelievable color. It is going to look just awesome. All the little bits and pieces. That's the thing with Dodge. Everything was painted. Dodge painted everything. So any guys out there, you're going to build a Dodge and you're going to your local paint guy to get it painted, don't be asking him what the hell when he says, hey, you need a lot of paint. Because it's true, you need a lot of paint. Hood latch assembly there. There's the RT things on the back side. All are bolts and nuts and fasteners to put it together. Oh, and there's the one and most expensive thing lying right there. There's the $60,000 to $80,000 VIN tag right there. Because without that car's worth nothing. It claims the car was a factory 440 automatic, burnt orange vinyl top, RT. Yep, she's going to be pretty. So what we do here, as you guys can see, is this is obviously not, this is our body shop bay. But this is what I've explained to you several times over. We paint door jambs and stuff like this in our body shop bay. I mean, I've got exhaust fans out there, obviously. What we do is we stop at the end of the day, we spend a good hour and a half. We sweep, we blow this bay down from front to back, we hose it all down, we set the parts up, and then we paint them. Could you paint a car in here? You probably could, but I wouldn't recommend it. You know, it's not that you can't. I've done it lots in the lifetime, even myself. I paint too, I dabble in paint too. Nowhere near as good as Jared, but I can paint. You can paint a car anywhere. I mean, Christ, back in the 50s and 60s, they were painting cars out in bloody laneways in the gravel and just wetting it down, and they were getting paint jobs much like some of the paint jobs we get today, believe it or not. But anyway, with that being said, you know, we just paint the jams and stuff here. It saves us from using the booth up the road. I do have a booth up the road that I use. Of course, obviously I have to pay for the booth, but it is all mine to use anytime, so it's nice. I got the keys and codes, so I get in there anytime I want. Here we're gonna go out in the goddamn rain, but it's better than snow, right? It is December. So yeah, we paint all the edges and stuff here in the shop. We hose it down, wash it down, clean it up, and away we go, and it turns out beautiful. And that's it. And if there's something you aren't happy with, if you get dust nib in it, well, you just polish it out. That's what's going on. So, the Charger's underway. It is December. I think it's like the 13th today or 12th or something. And I'm hoping all you guys are getting ready for Christmas. You're getting prepared, because I sure in the hell ain't. I haven't done nothing for shopping. I'm always the last minute guy. And then I go to the malls or wherever the hell I got to go. The one place is like hell to me, and I bitch and I complain. And that means there's a rant video coming up, right? Anyway, if you haven't done your Christmas shopping, I know, here it goes. Well, we at Old Time Garage can make you happy today, because we have got here. We have got Carried Away t-shirts, which is for Terry's car. All the money goes towards Terry's car. You can see we got decals in between. We got some Bittersweets left. We got some white t-shirts with our logo on. We have also got Black Betty and our latest and greatest t-shirt right there. We've got the pinup girl on a thin long sleeve shirt with some pinstriping on the sleeve. Yes, we do. So there you are. Wow, look at this. It's what the hell day is it today? I don't even know. I don't even know what it is. It's Thursday morning. Nobody's here yet. I got to get the office up and going and get on to shit. So hey, again, thank you all you guys for subscribing. Thanks for watching. Be safe for the holidays. If you're going to drink, make sure you find another way to get home. Don't chance it. It isn't worth it. And that's all I can tell you. Enjoy yourself, and we will see you later. Remember, it's always a good time at old time, but it's an even better time when you guys are involved watching us. See ya.